Hi, I'm Steve from Sun Outdoors Garden City, Utah, RV Resort Manager. Thank you for booking your stay. Now let me show you around. The resort is unique in the sense of the lake. The resort is also unique as it's the only resort on Bear Lake that has got its own private beach. Sun Outdoors Garden City has got a boat rental facility on site, Bear Lake Rentals. You got pontoon boats, ski boats, jet skis, paddle boards, just about any other water activity you want. We've got 2 pickleball courts, a basketball court, the playground, and the boat rental, which is on location. We have a private beach where you can put your pop-ups. We've got volleyball on the beach itself. We've got a pavilion, first come, first served, but if you have a large party, you're welcome to rent it. It's got 2 barbecue pits, about 8 to 10 picnic tables. We've also got a pool, and we have a hot tub. Here in the park, we do have a general store. We've got a laundry facility on site where you can wash your clothes. A bathhouse. It's got 8 bathrooms and showers in it. Next time you stay with us, please don't forget that we've got 2 hotels. We have cabins. We do allow tents in our sites, and we've got pull-through and back-through sites. Outside, we've got the places in town that rent bicycles, UTVs. Summertime, there's a lot of pop-up restaurants and cafes. For the upscale dining would be Cooper's Restaurant, which is located in Idaho, just across the state border. In the wintertime, here at Sun Outdoors Garden City, not only are you able to rent snowmobiles and cross-country skis, but Beaver Mountain, the ski resort, is located about 20 minutes from Sun Outdoors Garden City, Utah. The drive to Garden City, Utah, any way you get here, you're going to have to go through the mountains. The scenery is going to be completely breathtaking. Check out our Sun Outdoors app, available for download, where you can book your next stay and plan your upcoming adventure. At Sun Outdoors Garden City, our whole team is dedicated to making sure your stay is as enjoyable as possible. Our maintenance supervisor, Mark, is here to assist in doing that.
As maintenance supervisor, I'm here to help you with whatever your needs are. If you have any issues, problems, come find me. We're going to take care of those.
We look forward to seeing you here at Sun Outdoors Garden City, Utah, where you can explore your sunnier side. See you soon.